Good morning, guys. Inniki oracle message. Today's oracle message. Let us see what is the message for you. What does the universal law tell? Because all these 108 cards are complete universal laws. As far as I know, I have made it into cards. So every day, let us see one universal law. Okay. So let us see what universal law has come today. Law of service. The law of service, law of science of service grows naturally out of the successful application of science of anahataha and meditation. The identification proceeds a corresponding activity in the personal life and activity we call service. So, according to me, this law of service itself, how I see is it is the law of science of service, okay, which naturally grows along with this. As far as we are getting enlightened more and more, we become the best version more and more. We know this is our core vibration, isn't it? So when we learn how to live this core vibration in our practical reality, we learn about all laws of the universe, how the universe works, and how we can use all that universal laws. And we also want to manifest our dreams and deep desires in reality, and we want to experience that and enjoy that in this 3D reality. So in order to experience and enjoy that, we learn about all the universal laws and we try to apply them in reality and gain wisdom in it. Okay, so when we do all these things, we know this is how things comes into reality, this is how our dreams are coming into reality, and this is how we happen to enjoy, experience and enjoy all our dreams in reality. So once we have learned, automatically we will start teaching it to the other people also. That is the activity we do, isn't it? Corresponding activity we do. So when we start teaching it to other people and when we add value to other people's life, that becomes your service. So this is how you have to live your life. This is how you have to do activity in your life. This is what the divine is teaching you. This is what the universe is expecting from you. See, I have created something, given it to you. You have to give something back to me, like that universe expects now. So whatever you give back to the universe is, it has taught you something, you give that as service to the universe back. Okay, so whatever is there, whomever is in your vicinity, whomever is searching for this, and whomever comes to you in demand of teach me this, you have to give the knowledge what you have gained from the universe, so that that person also can manifest their deep desires and dreams in reality and enjoy and experience. So this is the act of service. So this is what the law of science of service tells us. Okay, so this is everything about today's law. So let us meet in tomorrow's law. Until then, bye.